Hello everyone, we are back. Let's try to create this presentation. It looks great. Let's try to create it. You see? It's pretty amazing. If you like this kind of transition, don't forget to go in my channel and look for them. Okay, let's try to create it. At first, we need to create this slide. This is the main slide. If we create this, everything is fixed. So how we create this slide? Okay, it has some tips. The first thing is important about this slide is creating shapes rectangle. You create this shape and then rotate it to the presence that it become here. Okay, it's good. Then increase its size. Then you create the shape. And after that, you copy another rectangle, reduce it in size, and reduce it another time, then rotate it. Okay, and copy it 3 more times here, reduce it in size. By pressing Ctrl, you can reduce it by both sides, but for now we don't use Ctrl, just copy them, bring them here. Now we need to put them down here also. 1 here, 2 here, and 3 here. Now just we need to resize them. 1, 2, 3. We bring it to front. The main set of the slide has been created. Now we need to do some editation. Let's go here and do the editation. First, we color them up. For the main thing, we use shadow. This shadow, bottom offset. For this great yellow, you look here. If you don't understand what I say, let me just increase it in size for you to better understand which shadow I mean and what the shadow is created. For you to better understand, let me just make the blur more. You see the shadows now? This is the shadows I speak from. Okay, that's good. We have the shadow now. After the shadows, we need to paste the text. We write the text in this shape and we make it overdrive sunset and use this format. And then we create 4 text box. Why text box or not? You see here. Let me just run it one time for you. You see the text is coming bad and I don't like it. Because of that, we are going to do another thing. We are going to create a text box. How? We copy this text and paste it here. Just paste it here for now. We cut this text and paste it here. We cut this text and paste it here. We cut this text and paste it here. Oh, sorry. Paste it here. We cut this text and paste it here. We cut this text and paste it here. Now it's time for us to change the text to the way we want. We select all of them by pressing Ctrl. After selecting all of them, we just go and bold them and increase them in size. This is good. Now we need to align them. Here is good. This thing also here. And this thing here. Okay, these 3 are good. We just change them a little. And we also can change this thing to become here. It's better, I think. Yes, it's better. Now we need to create the transition. For the transition, let's start creating the transition. We copy that. Here we are just going to press Ctrl and reduce it in size. Copy that, press Ctrl and reduce it in size. We don't forget to put it up. Copy that, press Ctrl and reduce it in size. Copy that, press Ctrl and reduce it in size. Just do the work like this till the top. And after doing that, set the transition of all the sliders to morph. I sent them, but for your better understanding, I'm going to do it another time. We press all of them by shift and go to transition and set them to morph. Now let's see how it's look like. You see, it's pretty amazing, and it looked like the text is entering from the end and everything looked magnificent. If you like this kind of transition, don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you need anything else in the comments. I will answer.